You know, there's an overlooked item on these RAM Promasters, and not too many people know about it. Some do, some don't. And it is the in-cabin air filter. I mean, not for nothing, but that's nasty. RAM Promaster. 1500, 2500, 3500, they're all the same. In-cabin filter replacement. If your truck kind of stinks a little bit when you turn the heat on, if your blower motor is a little loud and struggling, if you smell mold, mildew, you most likely have a dirty and or clogged in-cabin air filter. And these are really easy to replace. Good thing is these are located outside in the engine compartment. And I'm going to show you how to replace it really quick because it's April and it's sleeting. Yeah, those little white things bouncing around are sleet. Good old New England weather. I got mine. This is EcoGuard. I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description to get it. So first things first, I just popped this gasket off a little bit. Not all the way, just enough to expose the two screws right here and right here that take the filter down. Another thing you gotta do is remove this weather strip and hold the plastic down because everything comes off. Now you can either use a right angled Phillips screwdriver, you know, it goes like that and you can get into tight spaces, or you can use a side impact like this with the Phillips head on it. And there's the screw. And just push up this cowl a little bit so you don't strip the screw. That's one. Pushing the cowl. Two. The screws can stay. This drops down. And then it slides out. And there she is. It's like a trapezoid. As you can see, man, this thing is dirty. Dirty. I don't know why they put it. I have a lot of questions about these trucks, but I don't know why they put it at the intake when all that air is coming in, along with road debris, grime, weather, slapping off this filter. Let's see how dirty it really is. I mean, I know from the camera you can see through it, but visually, being in front of it as a human being, it's pretty dirty. And it's been about, I don't know, it's like I got it in 2019, so it's been, what, 7 years? I had to stop the camera and count because, you know, long day. Okay. Got a couple clips here. Takes that frame off. Filter just pops out. And this thing's dirty, dude. Well, here's a new one. That's what it's supposed to look like, dude. Look at the difference. Comes with instructions if you need them, but you're watching this video, so you don't need them. Wow. Look at the difference, man. There's your difference. Let me smell this real quick. Yeah, it smells like butt. It smells like a rug in a garage. It's nasty. This is what you're going to get, and this is what you're going to remove. And rightfully so. That's nasty. Now when I turn my blower on, it's going to be clean, it's going to smell good, and I probably should be doing this every couple of years rather than waiting 6 years, or whatever I said, 7. So I'm going to take the brand new filter, stick it in the frame, and snap it back on. Man, this is like the easiest maintenance you can do on your Promaster. Snap, 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 snap. Here we go, man. There she is. Might want to make sure there's nothing on here either. Mine's pretty clean. I'm gonna go pop this back in. Just take it. This actually goes down in the back like that, and then the front goes up. And it should look like that when you're done. Reinstall the screws. Don't need them too tight. It's just holding it. Just to hold it. Push this back on. The weather stripper that kisses this so it's sealed, and this cowl weather stripping as well. gasket, rubber gasket. And that is easy as butter, man. Como la mantequilla. It's so simple. It's about as easy as putting fluid into anything, man. Filling it with gas. I could do that all day. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That was the RAM Promaster. Again, I do have more RAM 1500 content coming soon. But as I repair this thing, I like to share that information to help others. And I hope you people understand that. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, stay tuned. Peace.